Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Gantt chart in Microsoft Planner. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is to start to go into your plan, and from there, we will be needing just to start changing the view types or the view methods. And basically here, you will find three options in the home page or in uh, the landing page. And basically there is the My Day where you can see your current day uh, tasks. My task, you will find all your tasks there or whatever. And basically then you can go to My Plans. So basically from here you can start managing and see the plan. And from here you can find all the management or the time management, the planning of the projects or whatever was the case. And simply from here we will be able to start creating a Gantt chart. But first, you will need to know that the Gantt chart is a premium option or a premium feature. So from here, we will find my plan, which is the name of our plan, and basically that's the name. And you can either pin it or whatever. So basically here where we can start changing the view type or the view uh, methods. So basically, there is the grid view where you can find them as a list. So all the tasks are listed or viewed as lists. This one is a board where you can find them as tickets or as cards. And there is the schedule, charts, and from here you can find all the charts. And the one that creates Gantt charts is the timeline. So basically, by timeline, it is the Gantt. And as you can see in the name or you will see the timeline view, but it is premium. So if you want it, you will be needing to have a premium version of your Microsoft, and from there you will be able to start getting or viewing the Gantt view. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.